Hello, friends. Welcome back to Speak English. I'm Anna. Subscribe and activate notifications for new videos. In this episode of Speak English, you'll learn how to start a conversation with a new boss, build trust, and create a good first impression in a professional setting. We'll guide you through listening, shadowing, vocabulary, deep dive, and homework to help you speak naturally and confidently in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Listen to the conversation. Good morning, Mr. Carter. Welcome to Jakarta. I hope the flight wasn't too exhausting.
Thank you. It was long, but I managed to get some rest.
I'm glad to hear that. The traffic here can be overwhelming, so I'm relieved you arrived before rush hour.
Yes, the driver mentioned it could be quite unpredictable.
Absolutely. By the way, I'm Anna from the HR team. I'll be working closely with you on the new expansion project.
Oh, great. I've heard a lot about the team here. Very capable people.
That's very kind of you to say. If there's anything you need, whether it's project details or just tips on the best local coffee spots, please don't hesitate to ask.
I'll keep that in mind. And coffee sounds like a good start.
Perfect. I know just the place. Shall I arrange something for tomorrow morning?
That would be great. Thank you, Anna.
Now, repeat each line after me, focusing on intonation, natural pauses, and confident delivery. Good morning, Mr. Carter. Welcome to Jakarta. I hope the flight wasn't too exhausting.
Thank you. It was long, but I managed to get some rest.
I'm glad to hear that. The traffic here can be overwhelming, so I'm relieved you arrived before rush hour.
Yes, the driver mentioned it could be quite unpredictable.
Absolutely. By the way, I'm Anna from the HR team. I'll be working closely with you on the new expansion project.
Oh, great. I've heard a lot about the team here. Very capable people.
That's very kind of you to say. If there's anything you need, whether it's project details or just tips on the best local coffee spots, please don't hesitate to ask.
I'll keep that in mind. And coffee sounds like a good start.
Perfect. I know just the place. Shall I arrange something for tomorrow morning?
That would be great. Thank you, Anna.
Perfect. Let's continue to craft. Vocabulary and expression deep dive. Wasn't too exhausting is used for a polite way to acknowledge possible tiredness without sounding negative. Overwhelming have a stronger meaning than busy. It suggests intensity. Relieved is used for expressing comfort that something turned out well. Unpredictable means cannot be easily guessed or planned for. Don't hesitate to ask is an open invitation to communicate freely. I'll keep that in mind means I'll remember that for the future. Now, are you ready for the speaking challenge? Try to role play. You are meeting a new foreign boss for the first time in your office. Start with a greeting, ask about their journey, and offer help for settling in. Use at least 3 new expressions from today's lesson. That's amazing! Today you learned how to greet and make a positive first impression, useful workplace expressions, polite conversation techniques. As for your homework, write a short dialogue with a new boss or client. Post your dialogue in the comment section so we can give feedback. Congratulations on completing today's lesson. Every conversation you practice brings you closer to fluency.